after learning limiting reagent concept, let's go into the next topic, which is the mass percentage determination. So this is also is a part of mass relationship, where if the mixture as I gave you comprising of sodium bicarbonate and carbonate, total measuring 2 grams, in that if this is weighing x gram, this is obviously 2 minus x gram. So therefore mass percentage of any substance in this mixture is calculated this way, as we all are aware of. Now when it comes to an element during its quantitative estimation, say for example I am interested in knowing what is the weight percentage of sodium in the given compound. So there are total 2 sodiums, each measuring 23 gram, divided by the total molar mass of this compound into 100 will give you the percentage of sodium in sodium carbonate. Similarly, the percentage of carbon, there are 1 carbon present by 12 will give you the total mass percentage of carbon, and oxygen you have to either subtract it from 100, or if it is individually asked 3 into 16 by the total into 100. So this is how we will be calculating the mass percentage of each in a given sample. Now this is one way. For example, if you take the hemoglobin, its molar mass is suppose 89,600 gram per mole. The molar mass of hemoglobin is given as 89,600 gram per mole, and you have been asked to find the number of iron atom present per hemoglobin. If you assume this as x, to proceed further, the percentage of iron in hemoglobin must be known. For example, if it is given as 0.25%, the percentage of the mass percentage of iron is given as 0.25, then in that case mass of total iron, there are x number of irons each weighing 56 gram, divided by the total mass of hemoglobin into 100 will give you the mass percentage of iron, which is given in the question as 0.25. Hence we can find out the value of x. Similarly, in the question that are asked, the element atomic mass may be asked. For example, it has been said that there is a salt which is isomorphous. There is a salt which is isomorphous with potassium sulfate. Isomorphous means same crystalline structure. So there is a salt which is isomorphous with potassium sulfate, and the mass percentage of metal is given as something like 4. Then you have been asked to find out the atomic mass of this metal or element M. Then in that case, there are 1 such metals, each metal mass is suppose M, which we need to find out, upon the total mass of this compound. 2 into 39 is potassium, plus M, plus 4 into 16 into 100 is the mass percentage of this M. So now once after substituting these values, you will be finding out really what exactly M is. I mean to say the atomic mass of the element which is isomorphous, the compound is isomorphous with potassium sulfate can be known.